फेस्टिव सीज़न इज़ हियर। ऐसे में डिफरेंट मेकअप लुक्स ट्राई करना, बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करना, एंड नॉट ओनली दैट, फेस्टिव सीज़न मतलब स्वीट्स, अनहेल्दी रिफाइंड शुगर, जिसका चेहरे पे बहुत ही एडवर्स इफेक्ट होता है एंड विच विल कॉज द डिहाइड्रेशन एंड डलनेस ऑफ द स्किन. That's why I am constantly on a lookout for the right face wash to tackle all these problems. There are innumerable options available. How to choose the right one? Well, I would say something which is more natural. As a kid, my grandmother used to always tell us how natural ingredients like saffron and papaya are good to the skin. Now I realized how important natural things are to us. But I would like to share with you guys that finally I have found these ingredients in one product, that is Plum's Saffron and Papaya Glow Face Wash. Yes, I will be giving you some insight on Plum's Saffron and Papaya Glow Face Wash today. I have been using this face wash for past a week now and I can see very positive changes on my skin. Talking about the product, it's from Plum Goodness, which is India's first vegan brand, does know how to beautifully integrate nature and science, bringing some of the best skincare products. This is a gentle, non-drying, sulphate-free face wash that helps to boost the glow, fight dullness and dark spots, to make you glow like never before. The face wash is enriched with saffron, which moisturizes your skin, papaya enzyme, which acts as an exfoliator, vitamin B5 and glycerin, which gives my skin a smoother, brighter glow with overall nourishment. It has a very positive impact on my skin and I do recommend it to you. I have my Glow Bright face wash to help me fight my dullness and tired skin issues, and I simply love it. Go get yours and see the difference in your skin for yourself. Use my coupon code to get 10% off on all Plum products on their website. And do not forget to share your favorite Plum product with me. Followed by their face wash, I use toner and Plum moisturizer. I'm in total love with these products. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up and do not forget to order your Plum product using my 10% discount coupon. And if you are new to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon in order to get all the latest updates. Till the next time, take care. Bye bye.